Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. The question is October 17, the 13 variant, and the question number 3. And topic is binomial expansion. Find the term independent of x in this expansion. It means the term which has no x. For example, 6x to power 3 and plus 2x to power 2 plus 5. This number is without x. So we need an independent of x. So let's see how we can do it. Okay, so expansion, so 2 over x, I part 2 over x minus 3x power 6, I part. So let's start. So first of all, so 6 is 0. So 2 over x to power 6 minus 0 and minus 3x to power 0. So then 6c1, then 2 over x to power, 2x will actually come from first term. And this minus 3x come from second term. And 6 minus 1, this 6 minus 1 come here on the top, 6 minus 1, and this one comes here. So clear. Keep your eye when x can be cancelled. Here 5, here 1. So 1x below, 1x up, we can't cancel. After that, 6c2, so 2 by x, and 6 minus 2, and minus 3x to power 2. If you check it here, this is 6 minus 2, it becomes 4, and here becomes 2. So it means it is not coming up to now. Further, 6c3, and 2 by x to power 6 minus 3, and minus 3x to power 3. And I think so this is checked. We got a 3 and 3 cancels easily. So just wait a minute. So let's move further. Now keep your eye here. What is this one? 3. And you just see that x to power 3 like this, and x to power 3. And x to power 3 is like this, and x to power 3, and they cancel. It means term independent of x. So I will expand the brackets. I will expand the first term, second term, third term, fourth term. I kept my eye on the term when I can get an xx cancels. Okay. So here I got a 1. This is 64 over x to power 6. This is 1 because something to power 0 is 1. 6 to 0 is also 1. 6cc is 6, and 2 to power 5 is 32 over x to power 5 into minus 3x. 62, if you check, it's become 15. 62 is 15. And this is 4. And 2 to the power 4 is 16 over x to the power 4. And here 9x to the power 2. Similarly, 63, it's giving 20. And this is 3 common 2. 2 to the power 3 is 8 over x to the power 3. And here negative 27. Why? Because odd power x to the power 3. Okay. And now simplified, last step. You can skip all these things. No need to do it. Just to show the independent of term. But anyway, no problem. I am doing all. So 5, 76. And this 5 and x cancels. I get here x to the power 4. And similarly, 15 times to 16 times to 9, because these numbers multiplying. And I get here 2160. And out of 4, 2 gone, it means I get x to the power 2. And last one, 20 times to 8 times to 27. So it is coming here 4320. And this x cube and x cube cancel. So this I get the answer. And you can see that I got the term independent of x. So it's very, very clear. This is a term independent of x. He was asking us that find in term independent of x. So we got independent of x. Independent of x is equals to negative 4320. So we have done it. Okay, alhamdulillah. Okay, let's talk about the next part. Next part is what? If you look at carefully, next part, We have done its first part. Second part, find a value. And is this match? Yes, fully match. And which the term, which no term independent of x, it means find a value. It means in this expansion, there's no term of independent, no term, there's no term independent of x. What this mean actually? No term independent of x means if I say no term, if I say no term of x square, it means 0x square. If I say no term of x, so it means 0x. If you say no term of independent of x, so it means it is simply 0. It means I can put it equal to 0. So let's start. I hope so this idea is very, very clear. So I have to go for no term independent of x. So this is a very clear. So let's see how we can complete it. I will put I will need a term independent of s equal to 0. So let's see. Okay. So now I'm showing you the process. And what a question we have: 1 plus ax squared times 2 over x minus 3x to power 6. Okay, now I concentrate on our part. So this is a 1 plus ax squared, and this is same, yes, same. So this whole answer will come here. So 64 over x to power 6, 576 over x to power 4, plus 2160 over x to power 2, and minus 4320, and dot, dot, dot. Now you will take all those terms like terms independent of x, independent of x. What this mean actually? It means I will need all those terms in which after product no x should come. For example, this into x squared, 6x comes, leave it. This into this, I get x4, leave it. This into this, I get x squared, leave it. But this into this, I will not get any x. So minus 4320. And this x squared multiply with x6. You see, x squared into 1x6, they not cancel fully. No, it means there are still x left behind. No, so we'll not take it. This into this, no need. This into this, again, no need. Why? Because 4 and 2 still not cancel. But square with square, it works. So it means because this x square and this x square cancel. So let's see, I'm showing the right hand side. So ax squared times 2160 by x squared. X squared cancel, and I'm getting plus 2160 times 2a. And according to question, what he said there's equals to 0. Why? No term is there. And now simply I will bring on the other end 2160a equal to 4320 and divide by this value, and answer is coming 2160 divide. I got sharp 2 value. So Alhamdulillah, I hope so idea is very, very clear.